Hi there, lovers. This is Rob, and this is the 2-minute overnight overview for Valentine's Day. I have a study to share, but first let's review yesterday. Here's a look at the odd sheet as it stood near the close on Wednesday. Muted action recently has left us without strong edges, and Wednesday was much the same. IWM barely met the minimum long criteria, but it was alone. ES showed mild bullish inclinations based on both price action and internals. Seasonality numbers were mixed. Its averages overall were pretty close to break even, and with little market movement, we were also provided an empty edge finder. So once again, I did not find evidence compelling enough to consider an overnight trade. Let's see how the night played out. ES settled at 15.17 and a quarter on Wednesday, then chopped sideways until about 4 a.m. when sellers took over. The selling lasted for about 2 hours, and the market fell about 7 points during that time. When ES opened at 9:30, it did so at a level 4.5 points below Wednesday's close. That's a bigger gap than we've seen in a little while, and it was a good night to avoid taking a long position. With tonight being Valentine's Day, I decided to do what the market has done over the years while lovers' attention was distracted away from the market. Using SPY, I looked back to 1994 to see what Valentine's night had delivered for traders. Here are the results. 14 of the 19 Valentine's nights saw the market rise, so it appears the chance of a gap up may be pretty good. But the overall profits are pretty meager. A quick look at the profit curve will explain why. 2009 did not go so well, and the market dropped 3% on Valentine's night. I would not read too much into this study. It was more just for fun than anything else. Hopefully for the bulls and for the lovers, Valentine's goes better than it did in 2009. Thanks for listening, and happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.